Hi, my name is Alice, and today I'm gonna teach you how to just doodle and draw something. So, do you have your paper? It doesn't matter, it's small or big. I'll wait if you don't. Okay, so does everyone have their paper now? Okay, then. First, we just take our black or whatever color. Just draw a line. Simple, right? Then let's draw a scarecrow like this with his head, 2 arms like this, and some legs. Okay. Now we can with some orange or yellow. So you can use this orange or this yellow. I prefer yellow. Then you can draw some straw as hands. And little feet. So, and then we draw a small line over here and then over here as well. And then we draw some eyes. And then a small line here and the mouth. Okay. And then if you don't have pink, you can also just use red and very softly go over it. So then it will become a face. But if you have pink, like around this color, you can also use it. And then let's make some clothes. You don't really need much to make clothes. You just need some colors and yeah. So you just can make whatever, you know. So I always like to make a dress, but you can do whatever. But today I'm not going to make a dress because no. And then I'm going to make a pants. Obviously, who doesn't have a pants on, you know? Okay, and then let's draw a lighter version of that straw as hair. And then, if you want, you don't have to. You can draw somebody here, waving at the scarecrow. Someone who is waving at the scarecrow. That person thinks that the scarecrow is real. Okay, then it doesn't matter what color clothes. You can just do any color clothes. Okay, my mother has this on sometimes if it's not too cold and not too warm. She has this sort of, I don't really know what it's called, but a sort of thing that she covers over her. A sort of towel-y thing.
Poncho?
Yeah, poncho. I made it a little bit wrong, but that's not super wrong. I'll just do it like this. Okay, and then we can make some pants with it. Well, it doesn't have to be gray. You can also just make that about any color. And then the hair. I always like to do purple hair, or you know. And then, oh wait, and okay, so I forgot to do the shoes. You don't have to do shoes. Some people like to wear, no shoes, only their socks, or some people even wear no socks and no shoes. I always like to make colors that are like mine. Colors of the eyes. And I always like to use this red for the lips. And there we go. A person waving at the scarecrow. Bye. See you next time.